Have you ever wondered why some cleaning companies make millions while others barely survive? Well, let me tell you, the only difference is that the companies that barely survive do not have any systems. Hello, I'm Cristobal Mondragon, and I have built a company from scratch to 6 million through systems and strategies that I've learned for over 9 years. And now in my new course, the 10-Day Cleaning Company, I'm revealing all of my secrets. The 10-Day Cleaning Company course is here to change your life. You can now have access to the same strategies, tools, and secrets that I propelled my path from 0 to 6 million in sales. And now I'll show you how to leverage artificial intelligence to catapult your business like never before. Why learn from mistakes when you can get my 9 years of experience in just 10 days? Discover how to set up your business, price your services, master marketing in your area, and even harness the power of artificial intelligence all in my new course. Just look at my reviews on my site. These are real people who apply my strategies and now are successfully moving into the 7-figure cleaning club. Join my course and transform your cleaning business into a money-making machine. Don't get left behind with your cleaning business. Just click the link below and I'll see you on the other side.